Verasity has had a week of huge bullish news, and the price has tried to break out twice as well. So in this video we'll talk about and we'll actually analyze whether we can get that bullish breakout now, because previously we failed, and just in general we'll talk about everything you need to know about Verasity. So let's get right into it. First of all, good morning. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. As you can see from Verasity, and that's also very well visible on CoinMarketCap, is that today we actually started out pretty bullish. This little move throughout the entire market was like every crypto had that. Some bullish momentum and some capital flowing into the markets. But Verasity also had quite a big move after that, like 2 hours afterwards. We got these big moves, which look somewhat manipulated, but not that much, to be quite honest with you. I mean, I've seen a lot of manipulated coins in the last few weeks. And even though these are probably a few big buyers buying, I don't think it's as manipulated. Not as much money went into the price as other manipulated cryptos. So with that, volume has gone up, and the volume is actually pretty good right now. And Verasity, I think, is a great project. It's a project I like to cover once in a while, and especially when there's big news around it. The big news around Verasity this week is that the patent was approved for rewarded video in the United States. The patent title System and Method for Reward Video Viewing covers all forms of rewarded video, vastly increasing Veracity's commercial use cases, which is true. This is very bullish for Verasity. What it caused back then is that we were quite bullish right here, but we didn't break above 0.31 cents, which, yes, these prices are hard to say. But this is like 0.31 cents. As you can see, 0.00, so no cent, it's 0.31 cents, which is a very strong resistance level. It's this lower bound of this bigger key area. And apart from that, what you also have is just technically you have that 200 EMA pushing down on us, which is a very strong just technical level. So back then I said that something like this was the most likely scenario. I was wrong, because we got a way more bearish momentum and fundamentals around the entire market, which also pushed Verasity down. So the thing right now is I just because of the fundamentals for Verasity, which I think have increased a lot and have become a lot more bullish, because of that, and because of today that the markets are actually looking a little bit stronger. I mean, you cannot argue against that. What I think is going to happen is I still think this is the most likely scenario. Now we might have to drop back down towards 0.29 cents and then do something like this. So do something like this. But in the end, I do think that this is still the most likely scenario, that at some point of time we are going to break above 0.31 cents, take a break retest, and get up to this level right here between, let's say 0.35, 0.36 cents. So that is still what I'm waiting for. Last time around I was wrong. Let's see if I'm wrong again. But just because of it's mainly based, like the technicals do support it, because we're not finding as much resistance as we were the last time around. So the chances and the potential of breaking through right now is way higher. But apart from that, what's also true is that the fundamentals have changed, and the fundamentals allow for a move like this a little bit more. So that's why I think right now it's still, even though last time around I was not as right as I wanted to be, I still think this is the most likely scenario, and that's why I'm telling you. So, but that's my take on the Verasity this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.